Hello everyone and welcome you all to another chapter of Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So here in this chapter, we're going to learn about what all AI features is offered by Filmora. So here in this class, we'll be learning how you can reframe, instant cutter, and how the this application or the AI will give you idea about your YouTube videos, your articles, and much more. So let's get into this class and let's learn about all these features which are being offered by this application. So here I am in the first page of the Filmora application. And here, as I have already told you guys in the starting of this particular class, that these are few of the AI features which is offered by this particular application. Okay, so here you can see the instant mode, screen recorder, AI copywriting, instant cutter, and also auto reframe, silence detection, and auto bit syncing. Okay, so I'll be explaining you guys each and every point out here, what all AI features do I have, and how you guys can use it in your video. Okay, so let's start with the instant mode here. Okay, so once I click to the instant mode, here you can see they are giving me the templates, like they're giving me different type of templates, which one I want to use it for my video. As you can see here, and I also do have different type of theme, different styles, and for different mood, I do have different type of templates. Okay, so let's come here and let's go for the upbeat one. Let's take this template down here. Okay, let's see how this one actually looks. So as you guys can see, this is the template which I will be using here. Okay, so I'll just click on this particular option is use this template. Okay, so as you can see, it's downloading that particular template, and now they're asking me to import my media. So I'll click here and I'll go to the sample videos option. Okay, I do have few of the sample videos, so I'll come here and I'll from this I will select few videos. Okay, so let me select these videos. I'll open this one and I will just auto create this one. Okay, so as you can see now, it the AI is creating a video for me according to the template which I chose. Okay, so I'm not doing anything, the AI is doing this particular thing for me. So this is one of the easiest way of creating a video. You just need to get your template and what all video you want, upload it here, and AI will do the rest. So this is how you can make a good video within couple of minutes. So this is one of the best way or the best use of this artificial intelligence. So I'll just wait for this to make a video for me. So I'm waiting for that basically. So as you can see, the AI have already created a video for me here. Okay. So here I'll click I know. I'll just go on. So here, as you can see, I do have the video which is created AI. According to the video what I chose, here they have created a particular video. Okay, so this is the particular video. I can select the preview if I want it half quality, and also I can change this aspect ratio. Okay, if I want it for Instagram, it will give me a portrait version. For TikTok, it's kind of the same, but I'll be using this one. And from here, basically, you can just select this. And if any particular layer you don't want, you guys can delete it from here. Or if you just want to hide this one, you can just click here, which we have already learned. Okay. And if you want to edit anything, you guys can edit this one as well. Suppose here is the date. I want to edit. I want to put something else. So here I can put my text and I can change the color, rotate or do scaling, change the X and the Y position here. Suppose I will write dream and select this particular text from here. Select a different ratio and change the font size as well. Okay, let me just type a font size or 60. I will type 62 or 60. Yes, and now I can increase the size as well from here. I can bring this one in middle. And now after selecting this one, I can also change the color. Suppose I want a different color from here. Okay, I'll choose this color and I'll select bold. So yeah, this is done. This is how we can actually do the work here. And from here also, I can change the writing. Suppose I will write something else. Filmora. Filmora. Okay. So this is how we can actually work out. Select a dark color. And now let's go back and see the preview of my video. Okay. So this is how it will appear, and you can actually edit all these things as well from here. And you can change the aspect ratio, as I've already told you. You can do it from here as well. This is the timeline. If you want to go to timeline and do anything else, you can do it from here. If you want to add a new audio with this one, you can add different type of audio. You can search, and here you have different type of theme according to which you can just take those theme and start working. And here, if you want to put any titles, here if you have different options for choosing your title. And here also you do have what kind of titles do you want? Do you want to put it a lower third, a subtitle, or just a basic, or you want to give someone the end credit? Okay, so here you do have categorized, and you can search it from here. Okay, so here you can see all the layers. Any layers which you don't like, you can delete. So this is a really good feature here, and you can render the video from here. So it will render it frame by frame from this place as well. That while previewing, you guys won't have any problem out here. Okay, and here you can see the export button here. So you can click on this export button and you can export it as you want. I'll be telling you guys in next class how you can export your media while you finished working. Okay, so here you can see, you can check the storage, you can save the project and minimize. I'll just save this particular project. I'll just type as AI and I will click on save. So this project is saved now. Okay. So I hope you guys have understood the first option for AI. Let me go back. And now this is the time for screen recorder option here in this AI. I hope you guys have understood what all we can do using the instant mode. Okay. So now we are in the screen recorder option. And if I click on this screen recorder option, here you can see I will have a page here or pop up. Okay. So here, this is the resolution of my settings. Like this is the resolution which I set it. Okay. So here they're asking me, where do I want a screen record? Okay. Is it the full screen or I want to custom a particular area? Okay. So if I tell that, okay, I just want to screen record this particular area, then they'll just screen record this particular area. And if I screen record a targeted window, suppose I will go to a targeted window and I can start screen recording from there. Okay, so I can do that as well from here. And if you want to screen record the full screen, you can do it from here. And here you do have the option for the speakers. Okay, and which microphone you want to use, you can use it from here. And from here, if you click, it will start recording, and you can just minimize. And here is the option where it will just take you to one side. Okay, so you can minimize it like that. Okay, so this is one option here. Let me go back. So now I hope you guys have understood the option for screen recording as well, like how you can screen record using this Wondershare Filmora. And now let's come to this third one, which is the AI copywriting. Okay. So what do you mean by AI copywriting basically? So it does give a basic idea of what this is. Like it will just write for you something, but what it will write. So here you guys can see it is asking me what are you going to write. So I'm asking that I want some YouTube video idea. Okay, and they're asking me give me the video topic like in which I want to make a video. So maybe I will type UEFA Champions League, Champions League 2022. Okay, so I want video topic on UEFA Champions League 2022. Okay, and here you do have other options as well, like if you want to create a video oral script or video chapter titles, YouTube video titles, and YouTube video descriptions. Okay, so you guys can create that here. And here they're also asking you for the output language, like in what language you want that result to be. So here you can see I do have different languages. Here the Portuguese, the Dutch, the Spanish, France, like the French, Italian. So I do have so many options here, but I'll be choosing English and I will generate from here. Like, let's see what all results do I get from the AI. Okay. So here, this is giving me few of the object from here, like what all options do I have. And if I go to the advanced option, uh, here they're giving me 5 number of results. Okay. So in that case, if I want 10 results, if I click on generate, now they'll give me 10 results of this video topic. Okay. So now here you are able to see. Okay, so the first one they gave me UEFA Champions League 2022 predictions for group stage matches. And here I do have another one, memorable moments of UEFA Champions League 2022 so far. And another one is best saves of UEFA Champions League 2022. So here from this option, you can just click and copy this particular page or these results, and we can just paste it anywhere we want. And from here, you can see the history. Okay. So I hope you guys have understood this one as well, like AI copywriting, how you can take out different video ideas using AI. And after that, let's come to this option called the instant cutter. Okay. So basically it will cut a video for you by focusing on the primary object. Okay. So let me come to this instant cutter option. And here you can see they're telling me to drag a file for trimming. Okay. And there is another option which is merging. Okay, so trimming is like I'll just trim a particular video down to shorten it up or remove the unwanted part. So here with very simple process, I can come here and trim down my video. So let me show you guys. I'll go to the downloads and go to this particular video here. I will just drag this, or I can just open this one. So I'll just open this. As you can see here, I do have this and I want to trim this. So likewise, I can trim any video from here. Okay, so this is one way how we can trim this. And if I want to export, I can export as well. Okay, so this is one way of how you can do this. And if I want to start merging different files, so here what I can do is I can select this, and I can open this file. Okay, so here they encountered a problem. So here I can merge different videos from here. Okay, so there from here you can trim and merge different videos. So this is another way. And after that, you guys can export this one as well. And suppose you do have so many videos, you were just experimenting around, and here you can just delete this particular file and you can go back. So let's go back here again. And I hope you guys have understood about the instant cutter mode as well. And let's come to the auto reframing option. Okay. So let me click here in the auto reframe option. So basically the AI will just reframe your video, whichever you import here. So they're giving me some options here. So I want to reframe this one, this particular video, and I'll open it here in this particular tab. Okay. So first they're asking me what is the aspect ratio do I need? Like, do I need this in a widespread mode or for a portrait mode? As you can see, this one is the portrait mode. So I'll select this and they're asking me the motion speed. Like should I give this automatic motion or should I fasten it up or slow it down? So I will just analyze now. Okay. So after analyzing, this is converting my video and it is just doing auto reframing. In that case, I don't have to go and cut that particular video. So here you can see in this particular video, the main or the primary object is the dog and that lady over there. So it's focusing on that basically, and I don't have to do anything here. So they're just showing me a preview of how it will actually look. So what I can do is I can just export this one and see here once I clicked on that, it is just exporting it. That I can show you guys from my PC that what kind of video did AI made for me. I can see that. Okay. So I'm just waiting for it to finish. So it's almost done. My exporting is done and let's see the video now. Okay. So here the AI created this for me. As you can see, it just reframed it. I don't have to do anything manually in that case. So they just saw which is the primary object in the video and reframed it accordingly. So let's go back. Let's go back to this one. And I hope this is also clear. And using this, you can go frame by frame. Okay, you can go frame by frame back, and if you want to go frame by frame front, you can do those as well. Okay, so I'll go back. Yes, I want to exit. I'll exit this one as well. And here you guys can see I have finished explaining you guys about the auto reframe option as well. Okay, so here I do have another AI feature which is silence detection. Okay, so basically just by this title only we get to know what does it does. Like it detects any silence in your video. Okay, suppose I do have a video which have audio as well. In that case, first let's select this one and I'll open this video here. Okay. So here what it does is it will just select the area which doesn't have any kind of audio. Okay. So from here I can check like the volume threshold I can manage, the minimum duration. Okay. I can manage. I can soften the buffer as well from here. And if I click on restart and if I start this again, I can just export this particular video on the timeline. And now I can actually uh, do anything else if I want to scale it down or do the basic video editing I can do from here. But what does AI does for me is AI is just making my work quite easier. Okay, AI is just detecting any silence, that is there any silence in the page or the video or not. So it will detect the silence and give it out. Then I can just cut those things out and start doing my video editing. Okay, so I don't want to save this project. And now once we have done with this, I will choose this auto big sync. Okay, so it will auto bit synchronize. So here as I do have, I'll just import a media and I'll select this one. I'll open this and I will click here on analyze. Okay, but I don't have any audio here in this one. Okay, so here they're just basically giving me a audio, or I can select a audio from here but by my own. So here they're also asking me what kind of video like bit cut do I want. Do I want it slow? Do I want it fast? So if I put on fast and if I get a preview, okay, so I'll reanalyze this one, analyze the bits and the rhythm of the background music, and now you guys will be able to see that it fastened up. Okay, so let me come here. So here you guys can see there is a sync in the bed. So if you guys notice on the screen, okay, so here you guys can see it just uh, with the bit it just gave frame by frame, and it looks quite good as well. And I can select different video RGB color if I want to put any glow, if I want it blur or video wall. I can actually reanalyze this again. Okay, so here you guys can see some effects here as well. Okay, so this is how we can start working, and I can select the whole length of the video. If I want to increase like the whole length, I can actually do this as well. So the most we can go is 4 seconds. Okay, here. So I will just analyze this one again, and I can basically export this particular thing to my timeline as well. So here I have clicked on this option. So here you guys can see this just auto synchronize the bit and gave me this particular file in my timeline. So I can use this one accordingly, according to my want, the way I want to use. Then I can view this one here on the timeline as well. Okay. So here you guys can see. And now if I select any part or the whole part from here, okay, I can actually do the editing from here. I can select fade in, fade out, just the basic video editing things. So I hope you guys have understood this class as well, like how you can basically work using all these AI features. Okay, so here they do have many advanced AI features which will just ease down our work and it won't take much of our time. So here is another option which is avatar presentation. Like you can create an avatar of your own and it will just talk, or if you just give any audio clip to that, it will just sync accordingly. So you guys can do an avatar presentation as well. So here are all the AI features which is offered by the Wondershare Filmora. So I hope you guys have understood this class as well and all the AI features, and now you can make your own video using AI and can save your time as well. And you can ease up your work and let AI do 30% of it and you do the 70. Okay. So take care everyone and see you all in the next class where I'll be explaining you guys how you can export your media once you have done everything. You have edited the whole video. Now you're satisfied with that. So the last step is how you can export that media into your PC, or if you want to upload it to any other social media platform, you guys can do that as well. I'll be showing you guys how. Okay, take care everyone and see you all in the next class.